welcome to the Fullerton Zoo.
We have a lot of animals use the short A sound.
The short A makes the A sound. Try with us. Action. Action starts with the short A sound. Listen. Action.
Different to the duck, it's for the backflip.
This is Arthur. He's a fruit bat.
Arthur has spat out his apple. Very careful. This is Autumn the alligator.
Autumn's angry.
Oh my goodness, so many short A sounds.
Autumn's toothache makes her angry. I love the short A sound. This is the Yetza armadillo. That's a short A sound.
Let's artists are back when she's scared, so let's be quiet.
Those eat insects like ants.
This place is crazy for short A sounds.
Cut. All right.
Okay. Thanks for coming to the Fullerton Zoo.
We have lots of animals here that make the short A sound. Come back soon, we'd be glad to see you.